Hey everyone! Looking for the best gas pressure washer to tackle your toughest cleaning jobs? You've come to the right place. We've done the research to bring you the top-performing gas pressure washers of the year, considering power, efficiency, features, and real-life cleaning performance. Make sure to check the description for the latest deals and product links. And remember, this list is in no particular order, so watch till the end to find the perfect fit for your needs. Let's get started. Number 5. SIMPSON Cleaning 4400 PSI Gas Pressure Washer. The SIMPSON Cleaning 4400 PSI pressure washer is designed for heavy-duty commercial use, featuring a powerful CRX 420 cubic centimeter premium engine. This model excels in professional applications such as deck cleaning, wood restoration, and paint preparation, delivering both power and reliability. Its AAA industrial triplex plunger pump provides an impressive 4,400 psi at 4 gallons per minute, coupled with thermal relief technology to prevent overheating during intensive use. The welded steel frame with powder-coated finish ensures durability and corrosion resistance for extended machine life. Equipped with 13-inch premium pneumatic tires, this pressure washer navigates rough terrain with ease, supporting efficient movement across job sites. The included 50-foot kink and abrasion-resistant high-pressure hose with quick connect fittings adds flexibility and convenience. Accessories include 5 quick connect nozzles covering all spray patterns from zero to soap. Number 4. Briggs Stratton S Gas Pressure Washer. The Briggs Stratton S 3100 PSI pressure washer brings convenience with its lithium-ion electric start, allowing users to begin cleaning at the push of a button. This eliminates the hassle of priming, choking, and pull starting associated with traditional gas models, making it especially user-friendly. Powered by a 190 cubic centimeter OHV 875 is series engine delivering 8.75 foot-pounds of gross torque. It offers dependable Briggs & Stratton power for residential cleaning projects. Number 3. SIMPSON Cleaning 4200 PSI Gas Pressure Washer. The SIMPSON Cleaning 4200 PSI Gas Pressure Washer caters to commercial users and serious contractors who require high power and durability. Powered by the commercial-grade Honda GX 390 engine, it ensures smooth operation and excellent reliability for demanding cleaning tasks. This washer features a maintenance-free CAT industrial triplex plunger pump capable of delivering 4,200 psi at 4 gallons per minute. It includes a thermal relief valve that helps prevent overheating during extended use, increasing the machine's lifespan. Its aircraft-grade aluminum platform construction provides corrosion resistance while keeping the weight manageable for portability. With 13-inch premium pneumatic tires, this pressure washer offers smooth maneuverability over rough and uneven terrain common at job sites. Number 2. Westinghouse WPX Gas Pressure Washer. The Westinghouse WPX with 3,400 psi and 2.6 gallons per minute flow rate stands out as the top pick for those who need powerful, deep cleaning performance. Its heavy-duty 212 cubic centimeter 4-stroke Westinghouse OHV horizontal shaft engine ensures reliable power delivery with a recoil start, making it easy to get going without fuss. Equipped with a 25-foot abrasion-resistant Superflex hose and a lightweight high-pressure spray gun, this pressure washer provides excellent reach and maneuverability around your property. The 5 quick connect nozzles cover a range of cleaning tasks with different spray angles including 0, 15, 25, 40 degrees, and soap application, offering versatility for various surfaces and dirt levels. One of its key advantages is the onboard half-gallon soap tank that simplifies detergent use without requiring extra attachments. Number 1. SIMPSON 3200 PSI Gas Pressure Washer. For those seeking a reliable, easy-to-use pressure washer with a proven engine brand, the SIMPSON 3200 PSI model is a solid choice. Powered by the Honda GC 190 engine, it delivers premium residential performance with minimal maintenance requirements. This machine is excellent for cleaning decks, patios, outdoor furniture, and prepping home exteriors for painting. The pressure washer uses an OEM Technologies axial cam pump, providing consistent pressure and flow at 3,200 psi and 2.5 gallons per minute. Its thermal relief feature protects the pump from overheating, extending the machine's life and ensuring consistent operation. Portability is also a strong suit of this model. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.